Díolch maisiúchán. Hi, I'm Siúchán from Bite Size Irish, and today let's learn some Christmas vocabulary. I'm going to repeat each word twice in Irish, and I'll also give a translation in English. Let's start off with how to say Christmas decorations. Maisiúchán, Nollag. Maisiúcháin, Nollag. Maisiúchán, Nollag. A nativity scene or a crib. Mawn-shayr. Mawn-shayr. Or beh-hel-een. Beithilín. Fun fact, that last word came from the Irish for Bethlehem, beh-hel. Christmas tree is krawn, Nollag. Krawn, Nollag. Of course, you might be more used to saying krawn as krown. That's fine too, of course, whichever way you pronounce it in your dialect. Now, a Christmas ornament or a bauble is, and again, there's two terms for this. You could say maisiúchán Nollag, a Christmas decoration, a Christmas ornament. Maisiúchán Nollag. Or ornáid Nollag. Ornáid Nollag. A candle is coinneal. Coinneal. Candles are kwin-le. Coinneal. A bow that you might see in a crown Nollag and a Christmas tree is bauble. Bauble. A bell is klug. Klug. Little bells are klug-een-ee. Klug-een-ee. Klug-een is just one little bell. Klug-een. Christmas lights, soyl-sha Nollag. Soyl-sha Nollag. A Christmas card is kawr-ta Nollag. Kawr-ta Nollag. And as you're more than likely going to receive more than one, the plural is kawr-tee Nollag. Kawr-tee Nollag. Holly, kwil-en. Holly, kwil-en. Kwil-en. A Christmas wreath that you might hang in your door. Flask Nollag. Or just a wreath. Flask. Flask Nollag. The same word is used for a garland. A gift or present. Brun-ta-nass. Brun-ta-nass. Or you might be more used to saying it as brown-ta-nass. Brun-ta-nass, brown-ta-nass. Another word for a gift or a present is fay-reen. Fay-reen. Gingerbread men, fay-reen. Fay-reen. Christmas pudding, maróg Nollag. Maróg Nollag. Santa's hat. Again, there are two ways to say this. You could say hata yedi na Nollag, which would be more literally Father Christmas's hat or Daddy Christmas's hat. Hata yedi na Nollag. Or simply hata Nollag. Hata Nollag. A Christmas hat. Hata Nollag. A snowflake is klug-een-ee. Klug-een-ee. Fake snow is brege. Brege. As you might be able to tell from that, snachte is the Irish for snow. Now, I won't go into the different terms for Santa Claus in this video, as we've already done such a video. So you can find my other video on the whole topic of Santa Claus, or Senti, at the link in the description box below. I hope you find these terms useful and that you get to use them over the festive season. Now that winter is upon us, why not try Irish for Beginners? Our free 1-month Irish conversational course, bonus ebook and bite-sized Irish newsletter delivered straight to your email. The link is in the description box below. Also, why not try Taster? That is free membership to a taster of bite-sized coursey. It features audio recordings to repeat, phonetics to understand the sounds, and helpful explanations. The link to that is also in the description box below. Slán go fóirín.